Alright, Green, I've got a new theory for curing hiccups: doing a handstand while drinking a glass of water. Can't hiccup when you're upside down, right?
Oh please, Red. That's just going to make me look like a clumsy astronaut. How about you try standing on one foot and pat your head while singing the national anthem? That'll definitely distract you from the hiccups.
Or, hear me out, we call NASA and ask them to launch us into space. Zero gravity hiccups? Problem solved. Plus, imagine the headlines: astronauts cured hiccups, accidentally created zero gravity dance party.